Hey students, I've just ordered a pizza. It will be here by any time. My mother doesn't let me have any junk food. She says it doesn't contain any nutrition. But what is that and why do I need it? Do you want to know that too? Let's understand the most important aspect of living beings, that is nutrition. We all love to eat tasty and yummy food. But does the food have what our body needs? Let's understand that. We all need energy to perform activities in our day-to-day life, and we get that energy from the food we eat. The food contains the nutrients, and when the food is digested, the nutrients are utilized for growth and development of the body. You all know we are growing every day, and for that, nutrients are important. So we need to keep in mind what nutrients are in our food. How do we absorb nutrients from food? By digesting and assimilating them. When we digest food, it is broken down into very small particles, and these particles are absorbed by the body. So we can say that substances which are digested and assimilated for obtaining energy for growth and development of our body are called foodstuffs. We get various nutrients from the food we eat, and this process in which our body gets nutrition from the foodstuff is called nutrition. The process of taking in and using food which takes place in living organisms is called nutrition. And what is the need for the nutrition? We need nutrition for various reasons. To supply the energy required for doing work, growth and development of the body, to replace the damaged cells and repair tissues, to fight diseases. Nutrients are classified into mainly two types, macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients means large, micro means small. So, as the name suggests, they are required in the same amount in the body. The macronutrients are required in larger quantities, whereas the micronutrients are required in smaller quantities. Carbohydrates, proteins and fats are the examples of macronutrients, and vitamins and minerals are examples of the micronutrients. We are mostly dependent on the plants for food, but how do plants produce their food? We know plants are living beings too, so they do need food for survival. So they produce their own food, hence they are called autotrophic. What is autotrophic nutrition? Some organisms can produce their own food and thus nourish themselves. This is called autotrophic nutrition. How? Let's see. The plants have chlorophyll present in their leaves. With the help of chlorophyll and sunlight, they prepare their own food. Plants make their food in their leaves, which have chlorophyll, by taking nutrients and water from the soil and carbon dioxide from the air, which they convert into glucose with the help of sunlight. This process is called photosynthesis. They convert the light energy into chemical energy and store it in the form of food. The reaction of photosynthesis is as follows, that is 6CO2 plus 6H2O gives C6H12O6 plus 6O2. That is, carbon dioxide plus water gives glucose plus oxygen. The nutrients like water, minerals and salts are absorbed from the soil by the roots of the plants, which are then transported up to the leaves through stem. When we say leaves take carbon dioxide, how do they do it? Like we breathe from our nostrils, they have small microscopic openings called stomata, through which they take the carbon dioxide from the air. The leaves of the plants have chloroplasts present in them that contain chlorophyll, which gives them the green color. This green pigment captures the sunlight and helps the conversion of carbon dioxide and water into food. Photosynthesis can occur in various parts of the plant, like the stem, as they also have chlorophyll present in them. So let's say that the plant leaves have made the food, but how does the whole plant get the food? We will understand that in the next part. And my pizza is here. I will enjoy my pizza. Till then you think and make a list of what nutrients I might not get from the pizza. We will discuss more about nutrition in the next part. Eat healthy and stay healthy.